Good morning everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 31st of August. Oil drops on reports that Iran plans to boost output. Oil prices came under renewed selling interest yesterday following reports that Iran plans to boost its oil production to levels much higher than previously anticipated. Iran's Deputy Minister for Industry, Mining and Trade said that the country is currently producing 3.8 million barrels per day and wants to increase production until it reaches 4.75 million barrels per day. This is much higher than the pre-sanction level of around 4 million barrels per day Iran was assumed to be targeting after the sanctions were lifted, and suggests that the nation is unlikely to participate in a potential output freeze deal when major producers meet in September. As a result, the possibility of Iran not taking part lessens the likelihood for an agreement to be reached, something that may have led investors to liquidate some of their long oil positions. Let's not forget that it was Iran's unwillingness to participate in a freeze that torpedoed a potential deal between producers in April. Moving forward, we believe that this negative sentiment could continue to weigh on oil prices for a while, at least until we have fresh news regarding the meeting. As for today, during the European Day, we get Eurozone's preliminary CPI for August. The forecast is for both the headline and the core rates to have risen, albeit marginally. Even though accelerating CPIs would be encouraging news for ECB officials, we view the risks surrounding these forecasts as tilted to the downside. Considering that Germany's CPI rate for the month missed its forecast for an increase and instead remained unchanged, we believe that Eurozone's print could follow suit. Something like that could hurt the euro at the release. We also get the bloc's unemployment rate for July. From Germany, we get the retail sales for July and the unemployment rate for August. From Norway, GDP growth for the second quarter is expected to have slowed notably, which may hurt NOK somewhat. In the US, the ADP employment report for August is due out a couple of days ahead of non-farm payrolls. The figure is forecast to hit 175K, slightly below the 179K print in July, but still a solid print overall, considering that as the labor market continues to tighten, it is normal for jobs growth to slow. Although the ADP print was far from close to the NFP number the last few months, we believe that a solid report could still raise speculation that the NFP figure may also meet its forecast. This could extend the dollar's recent gains. We also get the Chicago PMI for August and pending home sales for July. In Canada, GDP data for the second quarter are forecast to show a contraction in economic activity. A sharp contraction is supported by the fact that the devastating Alberta wildfires took place in the second quarter and that the monthly GDP prints for April and May were disappointing overall. Even though this could hurt the loonie somewhat at the release, it may have limited effect on the Bank of Canada's rate path, as policymakers have identified the fires to have been a temporary shock. We have 4 speakers scheduled for today. From the ECB, we have Governing Council member Francois Villeroy and Galhau and Executive Board member Peter Praet on the agenda. As for FOMC members, Boston Fed President Rosengren and Minneapolis Fed President Neel Kashkari will speak. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.